Do you want to know how to start making money by watching YouTube short videos? Then you came to the right place. In this video, you are going to learn a few steps that will definitely change your life. Step 1. Go to YouTube and select the Shorts tab. From there, you can find different videos to watch, so click on one of them. Step 2. Once you're on that video, watch at least 15 seconds of its content. And Step 3. You'll start earning money, and the best part is, it's completely free to do. Now, here's exactly how much money you can earn by watching YouTube Shorts videos. For one video, you could earn 14.5 watching 10 seconds. Watching 10 videos can earn you $145, and watching 50 videos can earn you $725 in just one day. The cool part is, you can repeat this as many times as you want to keep making money. So let's dive into the video. To get started, first go to youtube.com and click on the Shorts tab. Or you can search for #shorts, and that will take us to the short shelf. As you can see now, this is where all the short videos are on YouTube. So there are 533 million videos and 29 million channels. So there are plenty of shorts videos here for us to watch, but some are more profitable than others. I'm going to show you a specific type of YouTube shorts video that you should be watching to earn the most money. Now, if we search for #shorts plus Minecraft, that will bring us to these Minecraft videos that are getting millions upon millions of views. As you can see, this one right here received 38 million views, 36 million views, 25 million views, and 24 million views right here. So what we're going to do is take advantage of those views so that we get paid every time someone watches this video. To do this, we will click on the 3 dots next to the video and then press the share button. We will then grab the URL of that YouTube Shorts video by copying it. After that, we will go over to the platform that will pay us for the views on this video. As you can see, earnings depend on the country the viewers are from. For instance, Greenland earns $20 per 1,000 views, Iceland 15, United States 14.5 per 1,000 views, and other countries range from $3.50 to $20 per 1,000 views. This platform is called ClicksFly. Essentially, all we will do on ClicksFly is create an account, shorten the link for the URL we have for that shorts video, and then earn money. They clearly show how we will be earning. So what we're going to do is get other people to watch the video for us so that we start earning. To do this, we first need to sign up by clicking on this button up here. After signing up, we will be directed to the dashboard. Now we will take the URL of the YouTube Shorts video that we just watched and shorten the link by selecting new shortened link right here. After pasting the link and clicking on shorten, we will get a new link, which is our money link. Once someone clicks on it and watches the YouTube Shorts video, we will get paid for each view. Now that we have the platform set up, we need to get other people to click the link and watch the YouTube Shorts video. I'm going to show you 3 specific websites to do this, with the last site being the best for getting the most views and earning the most money. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Now we'll grab the shortened link and proceed to the first site. This site is called Minecraft Forum. It is one of the most popular forums for the video game Minecraft, attracting people who are interested in watching Minecraft videos. We want to share this valuable video, which has 38 million views and is among the most popular videos on YouTube in the Minecraft space. With others to do this well, come here and create a quick account by clicking on the sign in or register button up here. As you can see, there are many people posting in this forum. You could comment on each of these posts or make your own post and share your money link from the website we just visited now. I know what you're thinking. Sharing your link in this forum might seem spammy. And you're right. It can be. But there's a way to do it without coming across as spammy or annoying. Here's the trick. Provide value to the group members. When you share your link, instead of just dropping the link with a generic message, create a compelling post or comment that genuinely intrigues and engages the audience. Share a brief description or an interesting fact about the video and ask for for feedback or opinions from the group members. By doing this, you're encouraging a healthy discussion and increasing the chances of more people clicking on your link and watching the video. For example, you can write a post like, "Hey, Mindmates, I came across this amazing Minecraft Shorts video that showcases an incredible build. What do you think about it? Let's discuss in the comments," and then share your money link. This way, you're not only providing value to the group members, but also increasing the likelihood of them watching the video, which in turn helps you earn more money. Now, this isn't the best website. There is a better one. Next, we'll move on to the second site, which is Reddit. This specific Reddit page is called Minecraft on Reddit and has 7.3 million members. As you can see, even the most recent posts received numerous comments, like one posted 8 hours ago with 126 comments. All you need to do is make a post in this group just like the one we did earlier and share your money link. People are likely to click on it. As you can see, others are doing it too, sharing Minecraft videos, and people are watching and showing interest. So why not get paid for every single view that comes to your video? Additionally, you can find here other Minecraft groups with millions of members where you can also post. Now, let's move on to the third site that will get the most views and clicks on your money link, which will result in huge earnings. Remember, if your viewers are from the US, you'll make 14.5 per 1,000 views. So, with 100,000 views, you can easily make 1,450 and repeat the process. So the third website we'll visit is Facebook, where we'll search for Minecraft groups. By doing so, you'll see various groups, some of which may be private, with 128,000 members, making it harder to join. However, you can still try to request to join these groups. On the other hand, some groups are public, like this one, Minecraft Global Community, which has 80,000 active members. And you can join right now since it's public. Let's click on it. As you can see, people are posting, making updates, and engaging with each other to earn money. All you need to do is come to this group and post your money link. Remember to always be respectful and follow the group rules. When posting, some groups may not allow sharing links, so make sure you're aware of the guidelines before posting. If possible, engage in conversations and respond to comments on your post to further increase the engagement and views on the video by using these three websites: Minecraft Forum, Reddit, and Facebook, and following the steps shared in this video. You can start earning money by watching and sharing YouTube Shorts videos. Remember, the key is to provide value to the audience and engage them with interest, testing, and relevant content. Keep repeating the process with different videos and you'll be on your way to making a significant amount of money online. Aside from the Minecraft niche, you can also explore other popular niches like fitness, cooking, travel, or technology, and apply the same strategy to earn money from sharing YouTube Shorts videos. Just make sure you target the right audience and communities related to the niche to maximize your earnings. As you continue to share more YouTube Shorts videos, you'll learn which types of content perform best and attract more views. Focus on those videos and optimize your strategy to increase your income potential. So go ahead, give this method a try and start earning money from watching and sharing YouTube Shorts videos. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments and I'll be more happy to help. I hope you found this video helpful for more ways to make money online. Be sure to check out this other video where you'll discover even more strategies to earn money by simply watching YouTube videos. You definitely don't want to miss out on this. As always, I appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.